Paradise, Calif. The latest on California's wildfires. All times local. 9:45 a.m. Firefighters are racing against time to contain the massive Northern California wildfire as they prepare for high winds that are expected to heighten fire danger. The California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection says fire crews are strengthening containment lines and watching for spot fires when up to 40 miles per hour wind gusts are expected to sweep through the area Saturday night into Sunday. The nation's deadliest wildfire in a century began November 8 and killed 71 people. It largely destroyed Paradise, a town of 27,000 people. The blaze has burned 231 square miles, 598 square kilometers, and is 55% contained. Rain was forecast for midweek, which could help firefighters but also complicate the challenging search for remains. 12 a.m. President Donald Trump heads to Northern California on Saturday to see firsthand the grief and devastation from the deadliest U.S. wildfire in a century. California's outgoing and incoming governors, both Democrats who have been vocal critics of Trump, plan to join the president on Saturday. Trump's arrival comes as confusion continues over how many people remain unaccounted for. Authorities Friday night confirmed a new death toll of 71 and say they are trying to locate more than 1,000 people. But they stress that not all the people may really be missing. Butte County voted for Trump. But his planned visit is receiving mixed reviews.